Hey guys, it's Coco here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here and thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a mini coffee station, a low budget coffee station, and I hope you're gonna get a little bit of inspiration. I'm gonna start over by unboxing my coffee machine that I recently bought from Checkers. It was a huge bargain, you guys. You can run, I think they're still running the special, I'm not so sure. And I'm sure you noticed on my haul that I had bought a red color and I went and changed because I could see that it was gonna clash with my kitchen decor. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. I'm so excited to be shooting this and making my coffee station. I know my husband loves coffee so much, so it's gonna be a very big surprise for him. And I think for myself, I'm gonna be making some hot chocolate as well. We'll see how it goes. So let's get started. So this is my coffee machine, you guys. I bought it for $6.99 from Checkers. The normal price goes for, I think it's 1,300 rand or 1.4 if I'm not mistaken, but it was a big bargain. So when I saw it, I was like, you know what, I've been meaning to buy a coffee machine, and you know, sometimes when you see the prices, you'll be like, I'll see it next time. But this was a perfect time for my husband because he really loves cappuccinos and the cafe lattes and all the good stuff, because he works so hard. Sometimes he works very long hours, so this is gonna be great for him, you know, to kickstart his day. So let's unbox this together. So this is the manual. I think it's written in, okay, it's written in English. I'm not so sure about any other languages, so we'll get into that. What else is in there? Okay, I don't know what that is, but I'm assuming the symbol showing you how you prepare your coffee using this machine or assembling. We'll get to that very soon. So this is the machine, guys. Simple and easy to use. And this one is this is the filter. Just simple, you know, not too complicated. That's where you fill your water, right there at the bag. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna quickly wash all these pieces, then I'll get back to you guys. This is where you fill your water. You need to, you know, I like to wash all my stuff before I use them to disinfect and kill all the germs and the bacteria, you know. So I'm gonna be back just now. Waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's about. Wiping down my machine, I'm gonna be using these Domestos wipes because they kill 99.90% of germs. I can't put this in the water, so I'm gonna quickly wipe each and every corner, you know, to kill all the germs and to get rid of all the dust. They convince you to hang around when you don't have. So guys, these are all the items that I need for my coffee station. All these jars, I've washed them already, and my cups as well. What I'm gonna do right now is to just give my mirror a wipe down because it's been sitting in my cabinet for a long time. And by the way, I bought this from Pep Home for only $139.99, so it's $140. This was a big bargain. It's a pity they had only one that was left on the shelves, but anyway, I cannot complain because I know there are a lot of people that they've been looking for this mirror tray. So I'm just gonna give it a good wipe down using my Clear View Glass and Multi-Surface Cleaner. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why So these flowers, I bought them from Pepper. They were going for 80 rand a bunch. I took out, there were some branches that were hanging up. I didn't like them. And the vase as well. The vase was going for 32 rand 99, also from Pepper. Bought this for Mia since she can't drink anything with caffeine, so she's gonna be having this. So for these 2 jars, I bought it from this there's this local Indian shop from my area. They were going for 40 rand each. It's a pity I could not get a bigger size, but anyway, they're so nice. I like the texture and you know, and all that. So this is where I'm gonna be putting my coffee bullets. So the good part with this one, it comes with milk separately, so you don't have to buy a coffee box and a box of milk. It just comes in one box like this. So this one is your milk and that's your coffee. I need somebody to love. So what I like about this machine is that I don't have to buy Nestle coffee bullets. I can use Starbucks as well, which is a plus for me. They are the same size. So I decided to buy cappuccino, just normal cappuccino, and this one is this coffee latte? No, it's latte macchiato. So cappuccino and latte macchiato for hubby. I bought these mugs at Pep Home. I can't remember the price because I bought them I think 2 years back. So this is what I'm gonna be using for Mia's Nesquik or for the cappuccinos. And then I have these tall ones for the cafe latte or for the macchiatos. I also bought these from Pep Home. I'm not so sure if they still have stock or what, but I think they were going for 13 rand or 14 rand if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember the price for these small ones. Convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody. So for my teaspoons, I opted for this small bowl from Misty Price. I bought this for 29 rand. it was also on special. In this little canister, that's where I'm gonna be putting my sugar.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, not.
So now I'm still trying to find a perfect area where I can put all my things. That's why I keep rearranging to see where it's going to look neat. Maybe I can do this. Tell me what you think, guys. Which one makes sense to you? When my cups are here.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time.
So I finally made up my mind, you guys. I'm gonna leave everything as it is right now. It was harder than I thought it was gonna be, but anyway, I love the outcome. I hope you got a little bit of some inspiration out of this video, and the good part is it's a low budget makeover. And don't forget to give this video, guys, a big thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe. If you haven't, I can't wait to make the first cup of coffee or cappuccino from that machine. I'll come back with a review, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.